Hello guys, hello. Welcome back to another episode, guys. My name is Carlos Pesan. For those of you that is the first time coming across my YouTube channel, and I'm a UX UI designer. So reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, and UX orders. I'm your go-to guy. Also follow me on all my platforms, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, of course here on YouTube and Dribble as well. Guys, let's go. Guys, for today we're designing a mental health landing page. So let's get into it. F for frame. Let's design this. Go. Thinker. Benetti Grotesque. Let's get that font. Benetti Grotesque. Benetti Grotesque. Let's see. I'm checking it out on my other screen, guys. Don't worry. Let's see. Let us see. Right. Let's see. Which one is this one? Installed. Let's get Benetti Grotesque thin. Let's see. Let's see. Is it gonna give me the default one as well? Yeah, validation issue because it's already installed. That's okay. Fine. Let's work with what we have. Cool. Let's start off here at the navigation bar. R for rectangle. There we go. Let's get our icon over here. Satoshi, right? T for text. About us. Copy paste. Services. Copy paste. Shop. Copy paste. And contact us. These are 20, these are 20 as well. Why is this in a box? What happened? Go make these white. Remove that. R for rectangle. Let's remove. There we go. 60. There we go. T for text. Get help. G. There we go. Cool. Let's group all. That's already grouped. So let's check here. Mental health at 30s. R for rectangle. There. 60. Remove the fill, add a stroke. Black. Mental health at 30s. Satoshi, don't make it bold. Now Benetti Frontes grotesque, making it through life's toughest moments together. Right, let's get this image over here. Let's get that over here. Let's get this text over here. There we go. And R for rectangle. 40. That one. T for text. Get help. Nice, Satoshi. Remove 20, 20. And then put it in white. Okay. Now, R for rectangle. Let's get this color. Let's get this pattern right here. Let's make it let's see here. Nope, there's another one. Nope, there's a third one. Not union, subtract, intersect. Not that one. Not that one either. Exclude. Not that one either. Not that one either. Oh, you know what we can do? We can make this a frame. So we go for F frame, which is exactly what we should have done from the beginning. Delete this, make this a frame. Make this frame this color. Put this inside frame. That's how you get that. Let's get this over here. Let's get that over here and that too. Now let's get our T for text. Just cover that. T for text. Therapeutic Therapeutic is a service company engaged in mental health consulting. Okay. Here we go. Right. R for rectangle. Black mental health at 30s. On G, put in the middle. Just copy paste all of this, and I'll show you guys how to design each section. You show how to design the rectangle. R for rectangle. Go like that. Gray. Select a 20. T for text. 01. Bold. Benetti. Make it like a 50. T for text. In tuned. Therapeutic. Select all of that. Make it 50. Add some spacing. Right, and then now T for text. To live, select all of that, make it like a 20. Yeah, 20 looks fine. To live your life to the fullest, where we're continuing to find ways to prevent mental health problems. We work with world-class experts to create ... Then you find an icon in whatever library it is that you guys want. Bring it to front. Right click, send to back. And just like that, done, guys. And then you want to change color, just select here, change color, then select everything else. There we go. That's how you do that. Okay, now F for frame. Okay, now let's get our flower over here. Come back here. Go. Put it inside, on the inside. Right? Cool. Let's get this image. Let's get this image over here. R for rectangle. Five, 8. Then that is that. Get an image. For example, this one is an image with these girls. Then you go right here for R for rectangle, like that. 20. But then, interesting part is you don't select everything. So it's like only the bottoms. Here 0, there 0. There, no, add a white background. Then your text. Right click, bring it to front. Like that. Then that text is caring is always free. Okay. And then R for rectangle. $20, $40. Remove fill, add a stroke, make the stroke white, then add your text. Caring is always free. Not bold. Okay. Get that text over here. Let's get that over here. Highlight confidence. Guys, this is done with the pen tool, by the way. Let me show you guys really quick. P for pen. Then you delete this. No. Let's start again. P for P. Then make sure you bend it. Wait. P for pen. Okay. Now select this part. Bend. Then you bend it like that. Something like that. And then you increase the weight. Make it like a 5. Or like a 10. It's not much. Let's try 8. That's it. And then stroke color. Select this one. Easy, right? Okay, now let's get the rest of these components here. Got it. Okay, we get the images. You know how to crop them. In case you don't, let me just get a quick image. UI faces. Let's get her. Go like that. Send it to back. Highlight everything, right click, users mask. Easy, easy guys, easy. There we go. That is a rectangle. color, the rectangle, key for text, select all of this text, bring it to front, then send this one to back. And you get these components. Here we go. Okay. This is literally just text and a bubble. So let me show you. 1, T for text, 0, 1. Okay, there. T for text, explore. Okay, bold a bit. Then copy the rest. Easy, 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 easy. And the rest of these components, you guys have seen me doing it. Okay, upcoming workshop, T for text. T for text. Pro 2023. Right. Free in, tuned, therapeutic, groups parent, seminar. Embed front. Or for rectangle, white, 20. T for text, view event. All right. Then copy paste, right click, bring it to front. Reduce whatever needs to be reduced to have space. Just like that, done. Just delete this. Section. Now, last but not least, the footer. F for frame, I for color drop. Let's copy our flower. Come here on the side. T for text, R for rectangle, all right. This height 0. Let me see if that's the thing. No. Let's make a 1. This is mandatory. You guys know how to design this. So on each episode, guys, we'll just compile. There'll be things that we won't go over because we've been over on the last episode, so that we can move on to new things and then do other parts of tutorials as well, right? So let's just come here. There we go. We already have that going. Let's just get this as well. Cool. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. I really appreciate you guys taking the time. My name is Typography. For those of you that's the first time coming across my YouTube channel, guys, follow, share, subscribe, comment down below. I'd like to hear what you guys have to say and what you guys think. I really appreciate the support. Let's go, guys. We are already at 119 subscribers, so let's subscribe, guys. Like, share, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.